Hi guys, so this is Luisa and
Hi.
I'm gonna be doing the Dia de los Muertos makeup on her right now. And the first thing that I'm gonna make sure is that I'm gonna put away the hair and everything that can go in front of her face. So I'm just gonna pull, because she has bangs, so I'm gonna pull the bangs a little bit back, and then I'm gonna do kind of like a ponytail. Like, it doesn't matter if it's a perfect one or not, just as long as
It doesn't get in my face.
right, just as long as the hair is not going all the way to her face.
Yes, because if it does, then it's gonna be painted.
Okay, now if you notice, Luisa, she already has
My
her
Dia de
outfit.
Yeah. And this is Catrina's outfit.
So she already has the outfit, and so because I don't want to get it all ruined with the makeup, we're gonna put something else right here.
Yeah, we're gonna put like a tower or something there.
Okay, since I want something long that is gonna cover the whole dress, I'm gonna just do kind of like a bed sheet
A
or
bed
something.
sheet.
So
I can see myself. Actually,
that way she doesn't have anything.
on my
And-
dress.
Right, and I'm gonna get started with the concealer that we talked about that day when I was showing you the things that you're gonna be using for Dia de los Muertos. But before I start with the concealer, what I want you to do is kind of like apply something in your face,
Like cocoa cream.
like coconut oil or cream or something. So when
Cocoa
you
oil or cocoa cream. You can only use
coconut.
coconut cream. You can only use those two options. Oh.
No, it's not only. It can be any lotion, anything that you have.
Actually, it
So-
can be any lotion except that.
It's just to make sure that the makeup and everything that I'm gonna apply on her is gonna come out easy when I try to, like this. When I try to remove it, okay, so it doesn't stick to her face and it doesn't dry up all the makeup. Okay, so I'm gonna get started with, and you have to let it dry for a little bit. So after it's dry, I'm gonna get started with the concealer that I showed you the other day. Okay, and I'm gonna start with, depending if you're doing just half of the face or the full face, this is what we're gonna get started with. Like in my case, in this case, I think Luisa, she's gonna have like a full face catrina, and so I'm gonna start applying the concealer. And if you notice, this is a white, kind of like
Concealer.
yes, it is a white concealer, but it's kind of like
A light white.
yes.
Yeah, we're just evening things out
Even things.
to make my face pretty white.
And then I'm gonna use a little powder on her face, so we get rid of a little bit of the, all that shiny look. I'm gonna get started with
Eyes.
the color stick that I showed you. And so the color stick, we're gonna start with the eyes. And the way we do it, we go all the way to the top of the eyebrow, right here, right there. And then we're gonna kind of like draw right here.
We're gonna draw a big circle because that's what Catrina looks like, because she has
Exactly.
a
So we're
really big
gonna draw that big circle. Okay, and then we're gonna
eye.
jar right here.
Man, it feels like you're painting my face with real face paint.
I am. Okay, so turn around on this side, please. And try to make the circles even, but if you can't, it's not really a big deal. Because once we fill them in, then it's not gonna look bad at all. Okay, now make sure that you cover everything. You're gonna cover the eyes, the eyebrows, because my little Luisa is a little toddler. I'm not gonna go in there with the you know, with the stick all the way in. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do like this. Turn around, and then close your eyes a little bit. So it doesn't go all the way into the eyes. Okay, so if you notice, she has some parts that are not covered with this. And so what I'm gonna do, have this little eyeshadow, black eyeshadow. And I'm gonna use this eyeshadow to put it on top of the glossy black that she already has, and kind of like to cover those spots where she doesn't have that thing. And this is gonna help me to remove easier the makeup, and that way if she's sweating or something, this is not gonna get, close your eyes, into her eyes.
Wow, it feels like
close your eyes.
It feels like you're putting black blush on my eyes.
Kind of am.
That's black eyeshadow, not blush. Black eyeshadow.
Okay, so
this is so much fun.
Okay. Okay. Now, can you turn around?
I look creepy.
Okay. If you want to do some shadows in the face, we can have shadows here on the sides or up here. Shadows up here on this side also.
To make it more like a skeleton or a realistic skeleton.
And then we're gonna do kind of like right. We're making kind of like blush, black blush, and you're gonna see all those finishing touches that we're gonna be making. Okay. Now, this is looking pretty good.
It's looking really good.
Now, we're gonna get started with this eyeliner, the liquid liner. I don't know if you remember, but like I emphasized a lot to have the liquid eyeliner because I really like, turn around, to get those details.
What are you gonna
like
put?
Very, very clear, that you can do a lot of thin shapes with it. Okay?
Whoa!
So you can kind of like get an idea of something you can do.
Whoa! It looks so good.
And that's because her face is also too small. And so what you can do is kind of like filling. After it's dry, we can kind of like start filling in this. Turn over there. Or if you have some jewels, you can do some jewels also.
Or if you have sticky jewels, then you can just put them on the petals and that's it.
Right. Do you like this idea, Luisa?
I like it very much.
You do?
Yeah.
This is looking awesome.
Very awesome.
Pretty cool.
Love it.
Love it too.
Last petal.
Oh.
Whoa, it looks so good.
Okay, so let's do the other half of the face. You want to do the other part of the face?
There's a hole
Now,
in this bed sheet.
once you have this, I'm gonna make a little pattern down here also. Okay, you can do the whole nose.
Or you can just do some of his nose, like just this part on my mouth.
And this is what I'm gonna do. It's kind of like it goes around the nose, but it's not going
Whoa.
so big.
Yeah, because I have a small nose.
She has a small nose.
I don't have a really
So,
big nose.
if you want to kind of like mark it with the liner, and then we are gonna fill it in with the stick.
With the stick?
And then down here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of like imitate the flower pattern that I did on top of it. And then you
I'll lift up myself.
turn it the other way.
Okay.
More. Awesome. Okay, so if it's dry now, the nose, then I'm gonna apply the color stick again
Again,
to kind of like fill in the nose. No te muevas, bebé. Okay, so I'm gonna do it like this.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna go kind of like this. Okay. Get inside your mouth. Just on top and below your lips. Kind of like that. And
I feel creepy.
you can always add a little dot right here. You can always add extra little dots because you know catrinas, they have a lot of little dots. You can add a cross on top. You can add anything. Turn around. Anything you can think of. And this is gonna be our final product. Okay.